Hi, this is Gene from Adobo Test Kitchen. I'm here to show you how to make Spamsilog, spam with garlic fried rice and eggs. Here are the ingredients. 1 can of spam sliced into 8 pieces, 4 teaspoons minced garlic, 2 tablespoons oil, 4 cups leftover rice, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of spiced vinegar, and this is optional, and salt to taste. In a large nonstick pan, heat 1 tablespoon cooking oil over medium-high heat. Now add the slices of spam to the pan. Now you're going to fry the spam for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. When they're done, you're going to remove the spam from the heat. Now you're going to drain all but 1 tablespoon of oil from the pan. Turn the heat to medium and add the minced garlic. Cook the garlic until it becomes a turned golden brown. Add the rice to the pan and mix with the garlic and oil. Keep mixing the rice and cook for about 5 minutes. Now this step is optional, but you can add the spiced vinegar and mix it into the rice. Now you can add fresh ground salt to taste. Using medium heat in a clean pan, add 1 tablespoon oil and then fry the eggs until done. So there you have it, my recipe for Spamsilog. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.